Hi, this is Ben with Ben Hayes Web Sales. I've got for sale here a Yamaha C-4 preamplifier. I've done a little bit of work to it. I've reflowed all the solder joints on the main board, replaced a couple caps, and done a LED upgrade. All the incandescent lamps are swapped out for bright white LEDs. So you get a white and kind of a turquoise through the filters instead of the normal yellow and dull green. Cosmetically, this thing is in pretty good shape overall. It does have the typical dings, scratches, a little bit of rust on the top part of the chassis. There's some minor speckling in the face, and a little bit of scratching in these type of areas when the knob was put on too close to the face. Missing a record out knob, and that's about it for cosmetics. For the demo that I'm going to do today, I am running a turntable, tuner, and a digital source just coming from a DAC from my computer, and then a output to a power amplifier. The turntable that I'm using is a Mitsubishi LT20 with a Grado cartridge. So this is going to be the digital source from the computer. A little bit of Stevie Ray Vaughan for you. This volume control is really smooth. There's no crackling or anything. It's a nice sealed volume control. I cleaned all the pots and switches. Balance knob is nice and clean. The only button that seems to make a little bit of noise is the tone bypass. It'll click on you once in a while. So, go through sources, then I'll go through the EQ quick. So this is that digital source. I've got a tuner. Alright, let's go to the turntable. My cartridge seems to like the 47k ohm setting, and I'll show you kind of the difference there. Sorry for the light, I can't get a good video this time of day. So let's get some Steve Winwood going here. Really nice sounding phono section on this preamp. That's what it's known for. Well, I guess I can do a little bit of this. So if I take it, right now I'm set on 47k. If I go down to 33k, I don't hear much of a difference, but if I go down to 100, you can hear the drop. So these resistors apparently do function. You should be able to dial in your cartridge for what it really likes. I'm going to switch back to digital source here and just go through the EQ a little bit. So when the button is lit, that's your tone bypass. You usually probably run your amp flat, so that's nice. When you're running it flat, all the lights are lit. You've got a mute button over here. That's, say you got a phone call and just wanted to push this button quick, it would take it down. For the EQ, you've got, now it's in circuit. You get your bass boost and cut. Same thing with treble. And one of the nice things about this is you can adjust your turnover frequency. It gives you a lot more control. My system, for example, is lacking in bass a little bit, but just the very, very bottom end of it. So I can take it down to, say, 125 hertz or something and boost that and not worry about muddying up my signal too much. It's got a low filter, a high filter. You can reverse the stereo image. I like this for testing. So you can tell if something's wrong with your amplifier or something. If you've got a track that you're running that you know how it sounds, and you mix it all the way to the left or something to switch between stereo and reverse. So I like it for testing. You've got two pre-out sections that you can turn on and off independently, which is nice if you're running multiple amps. And I guess that's about it. This is a great preamp, and well known for its nice phono section. It should be a nice amp for you.